just the way you do it when you move so swiftly. Vibing out to you and making me do human. Smoking out the way I feel emotion. Emotion, so good, it's so bad, it's so bad, it's so new. I'm wishing at the end of June. Clouds in my shroud, in my vision go clearly. Can't see ahead if I'm fine when I leave me. What is the saying when you should let go? What is so impossible? Do me like that with a smile, with a smack, with a you knows you know me, no you know me better. No rainy, no windy, no sun. Just music and just the one. I'm fine like that, fine like that, fine. I'll never be losing, I'm on every time. No, you know, knows me no better like that. Fitting in your style and out too quickly. Man, it's in the way you do when you move so swiftly. Vibing out to you, make me do you, man. Smoking out the way I feel the emotion. It's so good, it's so bad, it's so bad, it's so new. Wishing at the end of June. Clouds in my shroud and my vision clearly. Can't see ahead if I'm fine when I believe in me. What is it saying when you let go? What is so impossible? So do me like that with a smile, with a smack, with all your nose, you know better like that. When we be on the scene, when you got to me, winging me with the hurt. No rainy, no windy, no sun. Just music and just the one. I'm fine like that, fine like that, fine. I'll never be losing, I'm on every time.
Can't do it like that again though. I would have to listen to it a lot of times and then memorize it and then try to structure it and realize that I should have just done nothing.
Up from above it, don't leave me behind. It's around all the earth that we know is divine. When I be empty and all of my mind I see.
Thank you. gøre gymnastik? Nu skal vi gøre gymnastik til musik. 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 Gymnastik til musik. Gymnastik til musik. Nu skal vi gøre gymnastik til musik. Nu skal vi gøre gymnastik til musik. Nu skal vi gøre gymnastik til musik. Gymnastik til musik. Gymnastik til musik. Nu skal vi gøre gymnastik til musik. Nu skal vi gøre gymnastik til musik. Nu skal vi gøre gymnastik til musik. Gymnastik til musik. Gymnastik til musik. Nu skal vi gøre gymnastik til musik. Nu skal vi gøre gymnastik til musik. Nu skal vi gøre gymnastik til musik. Gymnastik til musik. Gymnastik til musik.
another day to start all over again.
Please be seated. Bore da, a croeso I Gaerdydd. Good morning and welcome to Cardiff and to our 2025 graduation ceremonies. First off the bat, I must say in Welsh, Llongyfarchiadau to the great Cardiff class of 2025. Congratulations! We're going to be doing that a lot this morning. That was just a warm-up. I'm Laura Trevelyan, and I have the great honour of being the Chancellor of Cardiff University. Like you, I too am a proud graduate of this institution. Back in the dark ages of 1991, I hold a postgraduate diploma in newspaper journalism. Cardiff gave me a career, a husband, good friends, and now the great privilege of being your Chancellor. And my hope is that Cardiff will shape your lives and continue to shape your lives as it has for me. So we're here this morning to celebrate the achievements of students in Cardiff Business School and the School of History, Archaeology and Religion. Acquiring a university education is no mean feat, as you all know, and you've demonstrated dedication and commitment to get where you are today. You all have the knowledge, talent, and importantly in today's online world, the compassion and the empathy to become a positive force. Our business students are the generation that truly appreciates the interconnections between business, the economy, society, and the environment, better than any generation before you. Thank you for helping us deliver public value for the common good, to Wales and to the world. Students in our School of History, Archaeology and Religion have developed practical, intellectual and critical skills to help understand those piercing questions about what it means to be human and how the contemporary world is shaped. Understanding the past helps us understand the present and the future. All of you are leaving Cardiff with a qualification that tells the world you're ambitious, passionate and brilliant. So embark on the next stage of your journey with all of the confidence that brings. And please join our alumni network, more on that later from me, and come back often to Cardiff and tell us how you're doing. For now though, thank you for everything that you have brought to your school and to your university community. Your job is to sit back, enjoy the ceremony, and enjoy this moment. It will never happen again, your graduation, so please savor it and live in this moment. To all of your friends and family, you're here because you're proud of your loved ones, so when they cross the stage, please raise the roof. Leave us in no doubt as to how proud you are. We need lots of loud and enthusiastic applause, so do not hold back. Once again, Clongavachiadai to the great Cardiff class of 2025, and I now have the pleasure of introducing Catrin Edith Parry. Catrin will read the proclamation and a poem by Wales's inaugural national poet, Gwyneth Lewis. This poem, Education, was specially commissioned by Cardiff University. I give you Catrin.
Education by Gwyneth Lewis. Feiddio, gwella dy wneud. Mynageisio, parcha ddweud. Trawsnewidiad fydd dy glod. Dy ddyfodol, mentro bod. Learning's a passport that returns you home a better person. It permits you to dare being daring, makes you secure without knowing everything, helps you welcome some failure, forges an alloy with others' thinking. It is simple delight in mind and its motions. Scintillates but isn't deceptive. Admits the joy of institutes as the open road to everywhere but bigotry. It's the shortest distance between you and me, and if you're lucky, it never ends. I will now read the proclamation, first in Welsh and then in English. Nerth gwlad ei gwybodau. Bydd edwybod I holl aelodau'r Brifysgol ac ar draws y byd bod cynulliad Prifysgol Caerdydd yn cael ei gynnal heddiw ym Mhrifddinas Cymru. O dan awdurdod siarter frenhinol y Brifysgol, mae'r cynulliad hwn yn cyfarfod I dderbyn myfyrwyr hynny sydd yn rhinwedd eu hasediaethau a'u hysgol heictod wedi harchwilio'n briodol yn ôl statudau'r Brifysgol ac wedi cael yn deilwng o'i graddau. Dathlwn lwyddiant y rhai sydd yn graddio yn y cynulliad hwn, ac wrth wneud hynny, fe'i hatgoffwn o'i cyfrifoldeb I rannu gwerthoedd y brifysgol hon. Hwy sydd ei geisio trwy eu cyflawniadau, gwasanaethu lles pawb, ymdrechu am ragoriaeth ym mhob peth, a gofalu am ddyfodol ein byd. Parchwch ddoethineb, gan ei fod yn cynnig gobaith a gwirionedd ym mhob cenhedlaeth. A nation's strength is in its learning. Let it be known to all members of the university and throughout the world that today, in the capital city of Wales, a congregation of Cardiff University is taking place. Under the authority of the university's Royal Charter, this congregation meets to receive those students who, by virtue of their studies and scholarship, have been appropriately examined according to the statutes of the university and have been found worthy of their degrees. We celebrate the success of those who graduate in this congregation and in doing so remind them of their responsibility to share in the values of this university. It is for them to seek, through their achievements, to serve the common good, to strive for excellence on all things, and to care for the future of our world. Be attentive to wisdom, for it offers hope and truth in every generation.
Bore da. I'm Michaela Paynes, your Vice President Postgraduate Students from the Students' Union. And Cardiff, it's a privilege to address you today, a day which many of you will remember fondly for the rest of your lives. For many of you, today marks the end of an era and the beginning of the next chapter of your life. At the beginning of this journey, many of you would have been faced with the exciting but daunting prospect of moving away from home, whether that be from Pontypridd, Portsmouth, or Peru, making new friends, and perhaps living independently for the first time in your life. None of these are easy feats, so for that, I congratulate you. During your time at Cardiff, you may have had to overcome some challenges. You may have been the first in your family to come to university. You may be a carer or a parent and have had to balance that with university life. Or maybe you've battled with something else entirely. You should all feel very proud of what you've achieved, both personally and academically. The experiences you've shared together, whether that be in a seminar room, a society, or a sports club, the opportunities you've embraced, and the relationships you have built have made you into the graduate and the person that you are today. As you reflect on your time here, let's acknowledge the hard work and dedication that brought you to this moment. It's not just about the degrees you hold, but the friendships you've made, the lessons you've learned, and the growth you've experienced. You may or may not know exactly what you're doing next, but as you step into this next chapter, carry with you the resilience you've developed and the memories you've cherished. Face the future with confidence, knowing that you're equipped to tackle whatever comes your way. May your care ever be for the good name of our university and the well-being of our world. Llongyfarchiadau, class of 2025.
Bore da iawn I chi gyd. Very good morning to you. Fy enw i'r Athro Damien Walford-Davies. My name is Professor Damien Walford-Davies. I'm Provost and Deputy Vice-Chancellor of Cardiff University, and my job today is beautifully joyous and very, very simple. It is to warmly welcome students to receive their awards. And that, obviously, is the part of the ceremony where students' names are read out by senior members of the university, and they come onto the stage, each one inhabiting their own moment of achievement and of theatre. And they deserve all the acclamation and applause that you can muster. So, as our Chancellor has just said, please do celebrate the achievement of the students as they cross. And I don't care what you do. You can holler, you can clap, you can cheer, you can emit cries hitherto unknown to humanity, as long as it's loud and sincere. Do we have a deal? All right, I know you'll keep it classy as well, but you see what I'm saying. Achubwch y cyfle da chi gefnogi'n llafar iawn ar hyd yr amser. Now, once all students for each award have crossed the stage and have returned to their seats, and I know my colleague Professor Urfan Khalik has walked you through this, they'll be asked to stand, and that's when the moment of magic happens. It's a tradition at that point for me to speak in what is my first language, Welsh, to receive each group to their awards. Now, technically, and this is a bit of an Anarakish detail, the degree is actually awarded at the end of the examination board governance process back in various rooms at the university. But there's something about that moment of conferring the award that has that real magic in it. And the Welsh formula I will use translates as, through the authority conferred upon me by the university, I receive you to your awards with all the privileges that this confers. Congratulations. Trwy'r awdurdod a roddwyd I mi gan y Brifysgol, derbyniaf chi i'ch dyfarniad a'r holl freintiau a ddaw yn ei sgil. And then the magic word, llongyfarchiadau. So I'll shepherd you through it. It'll be very, very obvious. I now introduce Professor Vicky Cummings, Head of the School of History, Archaeology and Religion, who will present students for their awards. Vicky.
I, Professor Vicky Cummings, introduce those who have received the degree of Bachelor of Arts. Rory Chapman. May Aldasari. Amelia Kate Andrews. Isabel May Andrews. Daniel Stephen Appleby. Jessica Nana Ifa Durawa Arthur. Noelina Auma. Raynell Bailey Gordon. Toby Charles Forrest Baker. Thomas James Louis Barrett. Oliver Ian Barrett, Millie Grace Bates, Shana Begum, Clara Bell, Erin Rain Bell, Sam Benson, Erin Besant, Izinosa Binitie, William Birch, Shonard Birchall, Joe Blackie, Johan Bond, Connie Bradley, Robin Brady, Nathan Brooks, Keris Brown, Daniel Bull, Sophia Burton, Rosie Claudia Butler, James Caldwell, Grace Campbell, Poppy Canham, Thomas Robert Charles, Nian Tai Chen, Maisie Childs, Bella Churchwood, Alfie Montague Clinkard, Reef Cameron Coe, Lucy Coleman, Ellie Louise Cook, Simran Cochrane, Layla Cutmore, Lucy Valerie Dalton, Joseph Rees Daniel, Dylan Davis, Gabriel Davis, Gareth Davis, Thomas Rees Davis, Louisa Deed Ross, David Dillard, Christian Thomas Dowdall, Daisy Emily Downs, Leah Driscoll, Emma Catherine Dunn, Emily Dunseith, Juliet Durant, Lawrence Eden, Darcy Kate Edwards, Ella Louise Edwards, Griffith Edwards, Lily Ormond Edwards, Joseph Elsie, Gabriel Olwyn Lajeunesse, Isaiah Etheridge, Philippe Etienne, Elizabeth Ifa, Layla Evans, Neil Evans, Liberty May Everett, Ryan Hope Fairhurst, Leah Ferrant, Samuel Featherstone, Emma Maisie Kate Filkins, Charlie Foster, Harvey John Fox, Rachel Frater, Rebecca Fry, Reese Daniel Gardner, Tallulah Gately, Samuel Gatwood, Rose Ghaffori Hashton, Alex Felix Gilbert, Samuel Edward Gilbert, Mariam Farouk Jinwala, Cora Elizabeth Gledhill McHugh, James Graham, Eva Gregory, Noel Grimshaw, Zimin Ju, Kirsten Hadow, Tasnim and Julie Sahotu, Jack William Hall, Saskia Page Hall, Matilda Hamlin, Katie Louise Hannafin, Charles Hannington, Rosalind Harper, Angelina Harris, Jacob Harris, Rebecca Harrison, Eleanor Hartstein, Thomas John Hawkins, Joseph Hayes, Jacob Haynes, Charlotte Eleanor Grace Hazel, Ava Hicks, Eleanor Higman, Callum Hinge, David McGrath, Ellen Hollingshurst, Archie Hollis, Reese Houlihan, Bethan Howard, Saffron Christabel Howarth, Isabella May Howdall, Ben Howell, Lin Shui Han, Lydia Hugh Jones, Nathan Hunter, Amelia Irving, Rosie Jackson, Sophie James, Hannah John, Kai Jones, Harry Jones, Holly Rose Jones, Isabel Sarah Jones, Luke Alexander Jordan, Sherwin Cashby, Finlay James Keating, Ava Catherine Key, Tayton Killops, Samuel Kirkby, Edward Gerard Knowles, James Anthony Knowles, Thomas William Stanley Lang, Coco Law Schwen Hay, Bryony Leach, Jack Lees, Benjamin Lurvy, Jonathan Leishon, Matilda Nita Lindsay Loretto, William Littlewood, Chloe Olivia Llewellyn, Jack David Leon, Charlotte Alice MacDonald, Liam Mayer, Olivia Marangos, Dylan Martin, Lucy Martin, Matthew Martin, Catherine Mattingly, Ella Jane Maxfield, Alfie McAneny, Oliver Henry Macaulay, Finley McCracken, Alistair McCrell, Rebecca Macmillan, Benedict Merritt, Nicodemus Jonathan Micklewright, Arabella Millage, Amira Batul Mirza, Rue Mirza, Jack Edward Mobbs, Hannah Ocon, Isaac Moody. Molly Mooney. Natalie Mosley. Charles Jake Thomas Mullen. Kerry Murison. Ella Muscat. Laura Catherine Newis. Emma Noonan. Lucy Omar. Chima Onara. Maudie Orgill. Chloe Isabel Orin. Nicholas O'Shea. Matthew O'Sullivan. Tom Palmer. Amelia Parker. Emily Lauren Parker. Max Pawsey. Sam Peabody. Megan Louise Pedder. Rowan Perkins. Ethan Perman. Fionn Chloe Powell. Arthur Pryor. Daniel Quealy. Owen Rasmussen. Robin Carras Rees. Heidi Reynolds. Nia Richards. Ella Ritchie. Angelina Roberts. Harry Llewellyn Ellis Roberts. Suan Roberts. Madeline Grace Rolls. Joe Romans. Daisy Rowe. Grace Emily Sanderford. Seni Ann Sangweni. Anton Valentino Owen Shrembry. Ella Scott. Ellen Grace Seberg. Rebecca Luad Senshal. Aminath Imra Ahmed Shahid. Arnanga Shivram. George Sedmore. Elliot Smith. Margot Smith. Camila Soares Diaz Simoa. Hattie Southern. Natasha Grace Speechley. Alicia Stevenson. Emily Louise Stevens. Eleanor Story. Alexander William Summers. Jessica Swenson. Verity Tasker. Emily Thomas. Giovanna Thomas. Megan Thomas. Joshua Thompson. Puvan Kwa Tiwana. Erin Towell. Rachel Trevivi. Gabrielle Turner. Tabitha Tweedy. Sebastian Vale. Philip Willem Francis Antrobus van der Veen. Esme Walker. Charlie Wallace. Jonathan Douglas Walsgrove. Oscar Walters. Jacob Daniel Ward. Tegan Watkins. Matt Welsh. Jacob Whittle. Emily Widows. Sophie Williams. Annie Grace Wilson. Thomas Wilson. James Wiltshire. Rowena Wanacott. Samuel Wood. Joshua Workman. Jennifer Wright. I, Professor Vicky Cummings, introduce those who have received the degree of Bachelor of Science. Alexander James Barlow. Scott John Bees. Tamsin Benj. Ellie Carrow. Joshua Alexander Davis Galaraga. Poppy Doe. Charlotte Ann Foster. Archie Gardner. George Gibbs. Alice Georgia Gillick. Elliot Harris Patel. Gemma Helen Parr. Jasmine Shepherd. Eleanor Smith. Esther Jo Thompson. Kobe Tu. Frankie Walsh. Zijian Hui. I, Professor Vicky Cummings, introduce those who have received the degree of Bachelor of Theology. Andreas Hewell Jones. The Deputy Vice-Chancellor will now confer the award.
Excellent reading of the names, Professor Cummings, well done, as ever. It's a longer and a shorter walk than you think, isn't it? It's a bit of a paradox. There were some eerie, uncanny cries there. Excellent stuff. I think it's going well. Would all the students who have just crossed the stage please stand if you're able to? Trwy'r awdurdod a roddwyd I mi gan y Brifysgol, derbyniaf chi i'ch dyfarniad a'r holl freintiau a ddaw yn ei sgil. Llongyfarchiadau. Diolch yn fawr iawn, please be seated.
I, Professor Urfan Khalik, introduce those who have received the postgraduate certificate. Ewan Dominic Field Campbell. En Ying Lee. Vijay Manar. Sugunath Ponusami. I, Professor Urfan Khalik, introduce those who have received the postgraduate diploma. Susan Belford. Jane Rose Bujeyeka. Sarah Davies. Cheryl Madeira Cole. Julie Narlon. Rachel Prangley. Peter Richardson. Hannah Roberts. Carly Skitt. Philip Ashley Taylor. I, Professor Urfan Khalik, introduce those who have received the degree of Master of Arts. Thomas Keo ap Run. Edie Bell Batten. Shalini Basu. Catherine Helen Smith. Polly Brewster. Bethany Lily Carter. Paige Coslet. Abby Craig Jones. Gweno Ann Haddad Day. Elizabeth Olive Dowdall. Sandra Elson. Shay Thomas Francis. Abby Harper. Millie Hillier Wood. Thomas Hills. Navajesh Khan. Esme Law. Mafanwi Mannering Smith. Robert Peter Mound. Ali Anwar Sharif. Isabel Sladen. Anastasia Lowry Thomas. Daniel Varga Casseldine. Henry Wilson. I, Professor Urfan Khalik, introduce those who have received the degree of Master of Business Administration. Rawan Al-Rashid. Ufuk Aikat. Reese Ball. Sayantan Das. Palak Devandra Jain. Shruti Jangjid. Nayana Malikarajan. Parth Mukhija. Alan Njuguna Munge. Premjit Padma Kumar Radha. Ishan Pandya. Anjali Pereira. Jagadeep Sanjay Pradeep Kumar. Hifzul Rahman. Shri Rag Ravindan. Sakti Priya Raviran. Lucy Catherine Reynolds. Natisha Tangarana. Anjali Prem Chamtiwari. Sarah Miriam Varghese. I, Professor Urfan Khalik, introduce those who have received the degree of Master of Science. Muhammad Ali Abdullah. Dilyara Abil Khairova. Okay. Nifulur Alam. Oh, sorry. Nelafar Adam. Sorry. Ola wate milehi hin ade oduntan. Shamikh Ahmed. Amna al-Bedwawi. Muhammad Hamza Alim. Ghada al-Milghawili. Hala al-Vatban. Rajveer Singh Anand. Risha Anand. Anis Fatima. Arpita Uttam. Meher Bano Ashad. Arun Naja Rajan, Amu Ka Rajan. Tala Awad. Justine Azalecord. Manisha Bachawat. Zayat Shaji Bahadurin. Andoni Barusman. Mehal Kumar Lalit Puskar. Sumya Belur. Balugan Aziz. Tala Ben Gassim. Diksha Bandari. Roshan Biju Jose. Sean Billups. Fatur Rayan bin Fazl Noor. Noor Shafiqa binti Salahuddin. Ella Burks. Aditi Bora. Celeste Marie Vanna Brown. Susanna Brown. Bowen Tsai. Sally Louise Campbell Tate. Nadia Janine Cesaro Pinayo. Stephen Paul Chakramil Xavier. Chen Hei Lam. Xiao Xiao Chung. Pulkit Chowdhury. Yang Bin Chen. Yan Chun Chen. Yushuan Chen. Kai Song Chu. Manan Cheda. Purav Nog. Chimal Mari Bharat Kumar. Cho Diagon. Subhadip Chaudhary. Sandeep Christie. Holly Mae Clatworthy. Rachel Codair. Neelesh Selvaraj. Olivia Diane Condi. Kelsey Ray Cross. Lucia Cub. Carlisle Lazarus Desar. Alistair Leonard Day. Saharsh Jeswal Dilip. Regan Banks Dollinger. Do you want? Jake Benjamin Dolphin. Karen Doherty. Ritika Dubey. Rishi Maran Ella Maran. Megan Ellis. Charlie Evans. Fatima Faour. Carwyn Owain Farnham. Alex Febrianciai. Lauren Field. Nicole Elisa Fairmanche. Shashank Gampal. Charisma Gandhi. Amit Gautam. Shuvru Ghoshal. Georgia Gillespie. Morgan Emily Glossop. Cecilia Godfrey. Jennifer Googe. Piyush Shrikant Gaur. Georgia Green. Shubham Gulati. Junpeng Guo. Trisha Gupta. Naomi Hadfield. Theon Halliwell. Siti Suaswamy Eman Haji Sufrian. Yu Bin Han. Leah Hammond. Kit Daniel Eric Harvey. Bala Hassan. Andrew Hayes. Sophie Hayes. Tariq Ziad Hijazi. Sean Hengzi Chien. Rosie Hibbard. Samiksha Guru Papadaba Kapinam Baraji. Millie Julie Hill. Mariam Hisham Hassan. Laura Hodson. Axel Holman. Lin Hong. Jackie Horton. Ding Wen Hu. Hang Ho Huang. Lu Fan Huang. Lucy Hughes. Caitlin Hull. Raja Haris Hussain. Yanuad Imbi Yono. Catherine Louise Innes. Mithili Murali Krishna Iyer. Rajveer Narendra Sinha Jadeja. Surya Dev Jadeja. Richika Jagdish Jain. Wenji Jiang. Muhammad Imad Imran. Lewis Reese John. Amy Catherine Johnson. Bethan Johnson. Rosanna Emma Jones. Gagesh Bugjesh Joshi. Pranish Vardhan. Jovita Janice Karina. Akhilesh Kalipan. Hugh Yin Kam. Adavan Kamaraj, Aditi Arvind Jadhav, Kang Yi, Zuleika Karimova, Sankara Narayan Kartikeyan Lumumba, Sanjana Kasam, Madhavi Kasut, Ewan Kellett, Osman Khan, Hannah Kidder, Say Jaychandra Reddy, Naresh Gurva, Anakit Surendra Lampat, Sai Kumar, Lam Kiwa, Rachel Lam, Pin Hassan Lam, Yuan Lan, Yichin Lee, Roystan bin Likimas, Chong Liu, Liu Ziltan Caitlin, Isabel Victoria Lloyd, Xin Yu Lu, Clara MacDonald, Jessica McLean, Priyansha Madan, Manat Mahajan, Sayani Majumdar, Aditya Pagar, Emily Rose Mant, Abhijit Babu, Sheena Marion Matthew, Alexander George Markovitz, Maisie Martin Smith, Alex Matthew, Caitlin Mary Moore, Fatma Monshizadi, Jessica Morgan, Lelren Leonard Mullah Parabil, Pani Madhavi Chaudhary Mulpuri, Varsha Murarka, Tailesh Nachularan Samukamar, Naja Arjun Naja Rajan, Yatin Najendra, Vansh Narang, Lokesh Narayana Swami, Kishore Nishant, Tebat Alabasi Odiyemi, Aaron David O'Keefe Kilpatrick, Adetiji Tululupu Olukutan, Albert Honoridi, Anmol Pava, Mohant Palim, Drashtant Pambar, Siddharthi Parwar, Ziya Patel, Sifa Alunar Patekri, Harsha Vardhan Pawar, Ilary Pearson, Jitin Neenan James, Jayaditya Prasad, Janisha Prem Kumar, Priti, Ethna Pryor, Chi Shou Tien, Tsi Chin, Tuba Qureshi, Radhika Ramasamy, Vishwas Singh Rana, Navneeta Ranjan, Khayati Bharat Rathore, Aditya Kaishap, Veronica Racheska, Ashley Reed, Jamie Rees, Fazlur Rahman, Tyra Lewison Dadu Curado Rivario, Simon Lloyd Roberts, James Rodaway, Madhu Rima Roy, Tia Ryder, Abdullah Sabir, Halima Sadia, Megan Rose Sanford, Sharon Sandhu, Mahek Haq Sangeeta, Shri Varshini Sasikumar, Liz Scarlebrin, Mirthula Chandrasekhar, Yuvendra Sonkotia, Krutik Shailesh Shah, Swapnil Shahu, Raghav Sharma, Krishna Rajpara, Parvez Sheikh, Kira Shaw Eliza, Swapna Madasi Chandra Shekhar Sheikh, Deepopama Sinha, Adele Louise Sheldon, Darshan Mukesh Sheth, Ashutosh Ajit Singh, Aniket Singh, Trisha Sivakumar, Charles Smith, Chloe Jessica Smith, Adebola Uluwasun Sukunbi, Jayesh Anandana Sonavani, Sara Nashtoni, okay, I've got it. Kritika Srivastava, Amanjot Singh, Dinesh Subramani, Pranav Srinivasan Suganti Elan Govan, Shin Tong Sun, Gotami Suresh, Sushama Swati, Domankosh Milhai Strasbo, Henry Tarrant, Christy Taylor, Shishir Gopala Krishna, Holly Thomas, Lewis James Thomas, Vicky Roy Tonda, Elise Tideswell, Ali Tousat, Thomas Triseri, Shambhavi Vashishta, Bhumika Vengopal, Kanishka Verma, Sanjeev Shri Sharan Vinjumuri, Akshata Veerkar. Do you want that? Yeah, but you want those two, that as well. Mageshwar Pariswamy, Alice Gray Walsh, Wong Dong Shin, Hao Xian Wong, Meng Fan Wong, Yu Yang Wong, Anna Rachel Watson, Benjamin Whelan, Eleanor Wilkins Jones, Hannah Jane Willett, Eliza Bell Williams, Oliver Shu Yu, Ginny Nanda Yeram Steti, Cheryl Ching Yung, Momina Umar, Pratibha Zala, Ziki Zhao, Xu Zhangzhou, She Yangju, Arshia Bano, I, Professor Urfan Khalik, now introduce those who have received the degree of Master of Theology. Hailwen Davies. What's that? Jibin Joseph. Morwina Thomas. I, Professor Urfan Khalik, introduce those who have received the degree of Master of Philosophy. Liz Cohn. James Moffat. The Deputy Vice-Chancellor will now confer the award.
Excellent reading of the names, Professor Khalik. The selfie was a new one, very enterprising. I like that. Add that one to the list. 2 fluffy owls. I've got one of them at home. Will all the students who have just crossed the stage please stand if you're able to? Trwy'r awdurdod a roddwyd I mi gan y Brifysgol, derbyniaf chi i'ch dyfarniad a'r holl freintiau a ddaw yn ei sgil. Llongyfarchiadau. Diolch o galon. Steddwch os gwelwch yn dda.
The following students to be presented have achieved a doctoral degree, and in recognition of their achievements and their research, they will be presented to the presiding officers who will doff in return. I, Professor Urfan Khalik, introduce those who have received the degree of Doctor of Philosophy. Dr. Philip Alsop. Dr. Mehreen Ashraf. Dr. Daniel Baker. Dr. Diego Enrique Bermúdez Bermejo. Dr. Katerina Boncheva. Dr. Aftab Uddin Mahmood Chaudhry. Dr. Olumide Alexander Delalu. Dr. Paul Evans. Okay. Dr. Katie Erin Faylace. Dr. Gavin Ford. Dr. Neil Gunford. Dr. Xin Yu Hao. Dr. Anne Huang. Dr. Shin-Hei Huang. Dr. Emmett Henry Jackson. Dr. Paul Jenkins. Dr. Alexander James Jones. Dr. Hannah Williams. Dr. Jill Jones. Dr. Kefu Liao. Dr. Reem Ali Makfour. Dr. Sin Lu Mao. Dr. Samuel Innes Pari. Dr. Shi Hao Pei. Dr. John Pearce. Dr. Teo Riviere. Dr. Sang-Hoon Shin. Dr. William Smith. Dr. Vanya Strand. Dr. Martin Thomas. Dr. Suong Wong. Dr. Han Kyu Wong. Dr. Zhu Hao Wong. Dr. Jie Chin Yi. Rick Zhou. Dr. Rick Yushen Zhou. I think we had someone sneak past when I was looking down. The Deputy Vice-Chancellor will now confer the award.
That's the youngest doctorate I've ever seen. Would all the students who have just crossed the stage please stand if you're able to? Trwy'r awdurdod a roddwyd i mi gan y Brifysgol, derbyniaf chi i'ch dyfarniad a'r holl freintiau a ddaw yn ei sgil. Llongyfarchiadau. Diolch yn fawr iawn.
Bore da bawb. Good morning, everyone. We come to the part of the ceremony that celebrates distinguished individuals for their outstanding contributions in their field and to society, to Cardiff, Wales, and the world. Today, we award Professor Alice Kessler-Harris an honorary fellowship. I'm Dr. Jacqueline Granick, a senior lecturer in history. I research the history of women's activism and teach gender approaches to history. When I was starting out, I read a book called U.S. History as Women's History by Professor Kessler-Harris and colleagues. These path-breaking American scholars are now recognized worldwide as the first cohort of feminist historians. They uncovered women's experiences and gendered patterns in history, teaching us that what we thought we knew about our past was actually missing quite a bit of reality. Professor Kessler-Harris's specialism within this cohort was labor and class history. She broke glass ceilings and forged totally new directions, intellectually and socially, by bringing women into the center of historical inquiry. Imagine my surprise when I was reading a retrospective on feminist history featuring an interview with Kessler-Harris and saw that she was not originally American at all. Alice Kessler-Harris actually grew up here in Cardiff, the child of Czech-Hungarian Jewish refugees from Nazism. She attended Cardiff High School for Girls, remembering passing its scholarship exam at age 10 as one of her proudest moments, the one that turned her from a foreigner into a Welshman. She then immigrated to America and became the eminent historian we know her to be. Today, she is the Gordon Hoxie Professor of American History Emerita at Columbia University in New York. Kessler-Harris is best known for her now classic book, Out to Work, A History of Wage-Earning Women in the United States, which traces how women's work was transformed into wage labor. Her many other pioneering books and essays exploring the interplay of gender, class, and social policy include Women Have Always Worked, where she set out to examine how work has always shaped female lives and sensibilities. And more recently, a biography called A Difficult Woman, The Challenging Life and Times of Lillian Hellman. I urge you to read them. Kessler-Harris is also known as a generous mentor and a leader in the historical profession. Deputy Vice Chancellor, I present to you Professor Alice Kessler-Harris to be accepted as Honorary Fellow of Cardiff University.
Trwy'r awdurdod a roddwyd i mi gan y Cyngor, derbyniaf chi fel Cymrawd Anrhydedd Prifysgol Caerdydd. Llongyfarchiadau.
Bore da. Good morning. I am more than honored to accept this honorary fellowship, for Wales has given me a valuable gift, a gift of love and a token of belonging that I will long cherish. You see, Cardiff adopted me and my family at a time when we were adrift. My parents were foreigners, refugees without a country of their own. They moved to Cardiff with their 3 small children right after the Second World War. I spent many happy years here in a house on North Road opposite the castle. Well, they weren't gardens yet, they were still fields then. And we played in those fields and loved to be part of the castle culture. We cycled to St. Fagan's Castle. I cycled with my friend Nora, who, like me, was the child of refugees. Nora's 3 daughters are now my Welsh family, and some of them are here today. Wales embraced us. I moved from Birch Grove School to the Cardiff High School for Girls, proudly wearing my black and red uniform. I learned there to play tennis and lacrosse, and sadly, not very much Welsh. I won medals for elocution, proud of my newly acquired English. But my most vivid memory is of the day I was caught eating an ice cream cone on Queen Street. I was told, dishonored my school uniform. Ashamed, I threw the ice cream cone away. In 70 years, I've never eaten a cone on the street again. Wales embraced us literally, too. My mother is buried in the Highfield Cemetery. While she was ill, my brothers and I lived with a wonderful Welsh family on North Road, Robert and Mary Davis. Some of you may know them. Their deep friendship lasted for a lifetime. And when I became an immigrant for the second time, this time to the US, nearly 70 years ago now, I was gifted with a book of Wales, which I still have, and much the worse for wear. Here's the book I got in 1955 when I left Wales. I've gone on since then to become a historian, of the United States, adopting another country as Wales once adopted me. I didn't always do a very good job, and some of you, especially the business students, might be interested to know that I once wrote a book called In Pursuit of Equity. Now, equity, we all understand, means justice or fairness. And that's what I was writing about in Pursuit of Fairness for Women. But when the book was published, Americans took it to mean equity, the stock market. And they were very disappointed that I hadn't written a book about fairness and justice. but you can see Wales fairness was in my blood. The biggest lesson I learned from my years in Cardiff is the power of belonging to a community, the strength that lies in committing oneself to the values we learn as children. I was lucky, so lucky, to have spent a childhood in Wales. And I hope for you, for all of you graduating at whatever level, wherever you may go, that you carry with you the best of what you have absorbed here. For you have been given a precious gift, that of a proud cultural tradition, unafraid to embrace the new, even as it cherishes the past. It's the tradition I learned in Cardiff. Diolch.
Thank you, Alice. Thank you for reminding us of the power of belonging to a community. And as someone who's not only written a history of women, but you are part of Cardiff's history as a child of refugees after World War II. So you're both a historical figure in several different ways. It's my great honour to deliver the closing remarks today. Tlonga Fachiadai to the great Cardiff class of 2025. Amazing. Well done. It was my great pleasure to watch you cross the stage with your phenomenal outfits, with your hair, with a baby even. It was exciting and a tremendous honour to see all of that. So now, welcome to the Cardiff University alumni community. Cymuned cyn fyfyrwyr Prifysgol Caerdydd. It's pretty exciting. I'm about to tell you how exciting that is. Cardiff alumni are citizens. Some are like Alice, high-profile historians. Others are quiet, solid contributors to their communities. As my favourite writer, Virginia Woolf, said, no need to sparkle, no need to be anyone but oneself. My hope is that you will go into this world as yourselves, with all that Cardiff has given you, not just a degree you've earned here. You've been encouraged to ask questions and to challenge conventional wisdom. You've shown willingness, determination, and spirit, the real hallmarks of a Cardiff University graduate. Now, for many of you, I'm sure today will be tinged with sadness as you say goodbye to Cardiff and to your friends. There's a Welsh word, hiraeth, that's made for moments like this. It conveys a sense of place, of love, of longing, and of memories. And we hope that you will help keep hiraeth in your hearts for Cardiff University. Visit us often, and reflecting back on Alice's remarks about belonging to a community and the power of that, I would like to invite all of you in the great class of 2025 to join a new university tradition, the reunion. In July 2026, just as graduation ends, we will hold our first ever big reunion weekend to celebrate the first anniversary of your graduation. Please come back for that. And we're going to throw a big party for you in 2030 to mark the 5th anniversary of your graduation, in 2035, and so on. My great hope is that this class of 2025 will be here in Cardiff in 2075, marking the 50th anniversary of your graduation. Please make it happen. I will be long gone at that point, but you will carry the torch for Cardiff. So please, we're looking for volunteers to be captains or captains in English to help organise the great class of 2025 and to help make next July's big reunion weekend a resounding success. Before we close the ceremony, there's one last Cardiff University tradition to uphold. While today is all about the achievement of the graduates, of course you didn't do it by yourselves. Your friends, your family, your lecturers were all part of the process. So I would like to ask you, great class of 2025, to please stand. Everybody in the arena made a lot of noise for you. Now it's your turn to say thank you, diolch yn fawr iawn, to your loved ones. Let's hear it. Let's hear your thank you. Oh, louder, come on. Fantastic. Thank you to Mum, Dad, friends, all of you. Please be seated. Now, to close our celebrations, here's a short film welcoming you to our Cardiff University alumni family. Do enjoy it. And at the end of the film, please stand as the platform party leaves and our ceremony draws to a close. Thank you for joining us today, everybody. And one more time, llongyfarchiadau to the great Cardiff class of 2025. Diolch yn fawr iawn, pob lwc.
Take a look around you. Be welwch chi? What do you see? Today we take stock of everything we've achieved and say thank you to those who always believed. So scroll through memories, cymryd selfies gyda'r besties, and stand up straight for the photographer. Say cheese. Today we remember how we got this far. The late nights and bright lights, and moments we didn't do as well as we might. Pob dyddiad cau, dyfal barhau, o weithio'n galed i'r dathliadau. Today we're rewarded for all the hard work that started way back with the first steps we took. Dropped at Talabont, Nghennydd, Aberdare or Aberconwy I ganol y freshers, heb wybod lle I fynd, heb nabod bob un, nes canfod ffrindiau oes yn neidiau hoff cytun. First dates.
Soulmates.
I'm gonna start crying at this rate. Today we're part of something that's hard to describe, the new class of an old tribe. A tradition that'll be there our whole lives, a network that continues to help us thrive. Years from now, we'll see someone with a badge on their tie or hear people on a bus shouting,
"Cheers, drive."
And we'll remember where we came from, where we came into our own, where we made our mark. Canfod Cartref, where we found a home. Today we make noise like it's the varsity game and count ourselves lucky we found people with the same interests, hobbies, byd o'r hiwmor nes bod ni'n ffoli. People who tried to shelter us with broken brollies. People who helped us find our limits and push them out the way. People who helped us get to this point.
On this day.
Today is a day we mark everything we've shared. A day we tell people just how much we cared, that they were always there, even when they couldn't be. Roedden ni'n gwybod y deiau eto hael ar fryn for all the long hours we've had to put in. We still had those nights that went right through till dawn, and days we dug deeper than ever before. So here's to those late night revisers and early risers, to sunny days that passed by in Butte Park, to that special someone who gave us that special spark and helped us to grow, to transform, to dream. Today's for that someone we're proud to have at our team. What happens tomorrow is whatever you choose. Go make news or break news, but absolutely refuse to be told that can't be done, because we've only just begun to make records and break records and make history and break history and say,
Dyma fy mnydd I. This is the world I want to see.
10,
20,
30,
40.
Years from now, you'll look back on today and realise you've been by your side the whole way. But right now, right here, let's savour the moment and say, llongyfarchiadau, congratulations. Let's get the celebrations underway. Take a moment. Look around you. Be welwch chi? What do you see? We're Cardiff University. Croeso, welcome to your alumni community.